Today learn kitchen items. Plate means thali. Bowl means katora, katori. Glass means gilas. Spoon means chammach. Ladle means karchi. Fork means काटे का चम्मच. Skimmer means कलछी, झारा. Mortar pestle means खलबत्ता. Teapot means चायदानी. Knife means चाकू. Pillar means छिलने वाला चाकू. Whisk means फेंटनी. Tongs means चिमटा. Griddle means तवा. Tea stainer means चाय की छन्नी. Sifter means आटा छन्नी. Wok means कढ़ाई. Rolling pin means बेलन. Pastry board means चकला. Spatula means चपटा चम्मच. Milk can means डोलची. Lid means ढक्कन. Grater means कद्दूकस. Colander means छलनी. Lemon squeezer means नींबू निचोड़ने वाला. Thank you for watching.